What if the ancient Greeks had discovered electricity? Picture this. Instead of relying solely on myth and philosophy, they begin conducting experiments with static shock from amber. Imagine Thales of Miletus flipping switches made from copper and iron instead of just pondering the stars above. Innovations would emerge at an astonishing rate. They harnessed the power of lightning, creating primitive electrical devices, perhaps the first electric lights, illuminating the Parthenon with an ethereal glow. Phidias carves a statue of Zeus that moons with flickering light, igniting artistic revolutions. But wait, with electric power changing the way they communicate, they invent an early version of the telegraph. Imagine Plato and Aristotle exchanging ideas, instantaneously sending messages across the Aegean Sea. This rapid intellectual exchange would lead to steps in democracy and philosophy we can't even fathom. City-states would become interconnected, leading to a renaissance of collaboration between cultures. However, let's dig deeper. If the Greeks discovered electricity, what about warfare? They might invent rudimentary electric weapons, centuries before gunpowder. Imagine an army that can fry its enemies with swift jolts, reshaping strategies and alliances. Carvings on the walls of Delphi would transform into shocking tales of how Zeus himself guided his people to technological supremacy. Architects would push boundaries, crafting electrically powered water lifts for massive irrigation systems, boosting agriculture and trade. Daily life would flourish as households gain access to electrified conveniences that simplify cooking and bathing. This electrified society would likely shift social dynamics, sparking debates on labor, class, and ownership in an age that knows how to light up the night sky. So, what if ancient Greece had discovered electricity? Would we be living in a vastly different world, shaped by their ideas and inventions? Let's think about how one twist in history could light up our lives, even today.